Hello, this is Ambient Flash. Now I will show you how you can change a color, for example of a car or any object, and how you can make an object which is only colored in the image. Or you can make a little blur in the background, like a spin background, or just normal blur. Start making the selection. I will be using the pen tool. Zoom in and start doing selection for the car. You can also use other selection tools, lasso tool, quick selection, magic wands or whatever, just make the selection somehow. It doesn't need to be very accurate. If you use the pen tool, you will connect the selection with Ctrl plus Enter. Then you can zoom out. You can save the selection, select and save selection. You can name it whatever you want. I'll be naming it as red car and click OK. You can use this whenever you need in your project when you have saved your selections. Then you go for layer, a new adjustment layer, and hue saturation, and click OK. And there is these color sliders. You can just drag them. You can switch the color whatever you want. I'll be selecting a purple color. There are some parts in the car which are now in wrong colors. You can brush them over using the brush and the black color. It's like the layer mask now. Select black color and brush size. I will a bit speed up this process. You can just check in the original image and paint all which is not supposed to be in purple, or which color you ever are changing. Okay, now I'm gonna add here color balance. And color balance is very good for changing any color settings. Here you can select shadows, midtones and highlights. These selections have to be only affected in the hue saturation layer. So I will click create clipping mask. And now the changes will only affect on a hue saturation layer. And after the color balance settings, you have to manually little bit remove color from some unwanted placing. In this case, there's some colors in the window, in the headlights and in the small details. Remove them using the black brush over the color balance layer mask. Now you can go to channels. There is this saved selection here. Let's call as red car. In the channel section you can activate it. Press down Ctrl and left mouse top of the red car. And now the selection is active. You can go back to the layers, go to the lasso tool, layer via copy. Now there's a selection, it has only the car. Now select both these layers and here create clipping masks. Now will they only affect on the car line. Select background, adjustment and dissolve. Right click and duplicate layer. Now you have two background layers, always just in case. Select the background, click filter, blur and motion blur. Select the distance, angle and click OK. Making one layer with the screen. I will add a little detail using the white color and painting as a screen. I will add a small effect of the headlights. And if you want to try the radial blur, go to blur, radial blur, and amount of blur. There you go. This was Ambient Flush. See you guys in the next video.